Hello robot, this is the video for you in our packaging department. This is the half frame. We are taking the line, and this is temple tips we are putting on. This video is for you in our workshop. This is the rounding part for the temple tips. And as you can see in our factory, we can do the frames in really high-end craftsmanship. They are all designed and produced by us. Let's see what we can do.